Hello traders, we just finished our live trading sessions and today it was pretty good day, another one, because I've got profit of $3,500 on today live trading sessions, and I had 2 stop losses and 1 take profit and still got nice profit. So let's break it down. I'm gonna show you how I did it, what we did during live trading sessions, and I want to start basically from the account. So you can see in the morning, unlucky because I had position on crude oil. They cut me out, so I hit stop loss, and then the price went straight up, guys. So unlucky on this one. The other one, perfect entry. You can see it on the screen. That trade was set on a morning live trading session. 2 pending orders, one here, one somewhere lower. And you can see the price got to this level and nice reaction. My first take profit was on $5,000, but the price was moving pretty good. So I used 1 minute time frame to secure the trade candle by candle, and I managed to get another $2,000. That's why I got $7,000 here from this trade. It was pretty good. You can see the price went even higher, but you never know. So $7,000 anyway is good. And this trade, very risky trade. That's why my risk was very small. I risk only $500, so very small risk. But anyway, I finished with $3,406 today. So very good day, I can say. Another one. Let's have a look at our plans. Trading journal. Here you can see gold. I've said one pending order in this place, the other one here. The price went down and straight up, so I removed the other one. So gold was perfect, I can say. What else did we have today? Another trade, this crude oil. Look at this, guys. The plan was pretty good to open the trade, but my stop loss was too small. Risk to reward 1 to 1, so I don't like this kind of risk to reward. But the price went a little bit down and then they went straight up. Look at this, guys. Look at crude oil. I was trying to enter position somewhere around this area. They cut me out and look what happened. So unlucky on this one, but sometimes it happens, guys. Okay, that was crude oil. And the last one, this one, risky trade, but you know, sometimes we need to take a risk. And that was quick stop loss, maybe 1 minute, because my stop loss was very tight, like you can see. So quick stop loss, but that's okay. Sometimes it is like this. That's why I knew it's a risky trade. That's why I risk only $656. Okay. Okay, so let's check what else we got today. We had some more plans. That plan was on gold. I just show you that. Euro, gold. Another plan on gold. After the retest, we wanted to go up, but the price didn't come back to this area. They went straight up, so couldn't enter the trade right here, but that's okay, not a problem. Next one, we got Euro basic sell. I was waiting for this kind of setup, but here, same. We were waiting for pullback, but the price went straight down. So the direction was good, the idea was good, but sometimes, you know, they don't do any pullbacks. They just go straight down or up. So I couldn't use this setup, but it worked basically. Gold, 2 positions, I've shown you that already. Crude oil, yes, same. This one here, British pound, we were waiting for the price to go down to liquidity zone and to go up. Let's have a look at GBP USD. The price went up, so we didn't get to this zone. We got to the zone here right now, but now it's too late for me. I'm not gonna place any trades. It's just too late. And what else do we have? I think we got some plans from Tomek. This is Euro. No, we don't have any plans from Tomek. No, not today. So, guys, this was pretty good day. I can show you total results on account which we are using for live trading session, which I'm using for live trading sessions. And we got total profit of $46,739 since 12th of January. So around 1 month, okay? Around 1 month, because today is 18th, 1 month, $46,000 with small risk, I can say. Because I'm not risking too much. I could risk much more on this account, but I don't want to push it too hard. 46,000 in 1 month, I think it's pretty good result, and that was only on live trading sessions. So guys, you could see every single trade, you could see every single plan, every single stop loss as well, because I had stop losses. Yes, I got stop losses, but the strategies which I use, risk to reward is pretty good, because I'm usually using 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 5. So we don't need a big win ratio. I'm using small stop losses. Usually it's very tight. So we are looking for sniper entries on this setup. Smart money concept, basic buy, basic sell, sometimes price action cycle, all-in ASAP strategy, also tight stop losses. So I think it's pretty good result, 46,000. It's all in trading journal. You can see how we perform all the way up. At this moment, the gold is paying the most. Gold gave me $28,000. The worst is USD CHF and US 100. It's looking not too good, I can say. But anyway, a very nice profit. So guys, if you want to join us during live trading session and you want to see how we trade live, how we hit stop losses, how we get profits, how we make money on live trading session, don't forget to subscribe this channel and join us every single day from Monday to Friday in the morning. We are on YouTube, and the rest of the sessions are internal on our Discord channel. So for our community. So that's it, guys, for today. We got Monday profits, Tuesday profits, and today profits, Wednesday. So hopefully we got 2 more days. We're gonna make some more profits till the end of the week. And that's it, guys. That's it for now. I'm gonna see you tomorrow morning. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. So see you later, guys. Take care.